Today on the Roadhard Roadhouse, we're putting up a barn light. Let's get it started. Roadhard Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. Whether you need anything big or small done, they'll take care of it at Speedy's. Okay, today on the Roadhard Roadhouse, we're putting this Patriot lighting wall light in. It's a barn light. It's outdoor. We're going to put it above my shop door for security lighting out front. Let's get started. All right, we're going to unbox this thing. It's from Menards. It was $99 in black. You can get it in gray or green as well. Comes pretty well packed. Instructions. And it's pretty large. I'm going to show you how to do this today, from the unpacking to the wiring to the install of the actual lamp. Let's get started. It comes with all the necessary hardware, bubble wrapped. Did come together pretty nice. What I do like about it is it came with a gasket. It's a rubber type gasket. One here where it's going to go up against the wood of the outside of my shop, and one inside here where the metal arm is going to come in. All right, now these wires are going to need to go through this arm to the back of it. Okay, you're going to need to run these wires all the way through this arm here, and the easiest way that I can see to do it would be just if you watch one of my other videos on a backup camera, same way there. I'm going to take, this is a trim wire for your weed eater. It's a little thick, and I've used this now for two or three projects. I'm going to tape it. And then you're going to take the weed eater line and feed it through the arm. There it is. And just slowly pull the weed eater line through. I know I have a lot of weed eater line here, but I've been using it on projects just like this. There we go. Okay, now you're going to just screw it on. All right, now you're going to take your base and you're going to thread the electrical wires through it. You're going to put all right. You're going to slide this base on and then tighten up the Allen wrench nut. It's going to be a 3/16 Allen wrench. Okay, and now you have the whole thing put together. Now it's just the wiring. Let's get that started. Okay, I traced my wires back to here. Need to shut off the power. Make sure you use one of these if you're doing a new install. How I figured out how to do this right here. To get the nut, how to get the nut back on, I use duct tape on the inside to hold the sucker on so I could come out here and be able to thread this nut back on. This is how I did that duct tape. I'm going to stick about 8 inches of wire through. That way I'll have enough. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this down here. That way when I'm wiring the rest of it, it won't come out. Did I tell you to shut off the power? You better shut off the power before you get a jolt of your life. Okay, for some of you that might not know, this black wire is your hot wire. This is your ground. The white wire is neutral. Let's get it wired up. Just so we're not mistaken, I told you to shut off the power. Okay, like I said, the ground from the base here and the ground from your wiring for the lamp both go into your ground here. Your white goes in, or your neutral goes into your neutral. Your hot wire goes into your hot wire. Easily as diddly dog. If you're actually wiring your whole system in, come down. We'll take this one for example. This yellow one, it comes down here. The white, if you follow this white one, it comes down here and it's in this bar right here. That's your neutral. The black one, black wire, runs right into the fuse, the hot wire. And your ground comes all the way over here into that line over here of the grounds. Easy peasy. Just be really careful. If you feel like you cannot do this without shocking yourself, turn off the power at the house or wherever your main breaker box is. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and commenting down below. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her up wet. The Road Hard Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. If you need anything powder coated, let us know.